Greetings, loved ones. Let's take a journey.
I know a place where the grass is really greener, warm, wet and wild. There must be something in...
Hi guys, this is Hello Kitty Websites here to review Hello Kitty digital video with preview screen. Okay, so of course it has Hello Kitty on the front, and I'm using my camera right now. Whoever wants an HD camera, do not get this. And it also, you can put it on Facebook, you can put it on your Flickr, MySpace, Photo Bucket, YouTube, but you have to connect it to a computer. So it's not. This is only $60. It's not just only $60. Again, for high resolution, it's not really HD. So, it has a built-in microphone, 1.5 preview screen, which is sort of small, not really as big as I thought it would be. Includes a snap and share software, memory expansion slot, SD card required. I have a 4 gigabyte, so it only has like 28 minutes. TV out on Watch TV, AV cable included. There's a little picture of it in the back. So yeah, and I'm gonna show you my camera on my awesome new Hello Kitty. So that's the front, and that comes to the sticker right there. So yeah, and that is my makeup mirror that lights up. You can also find it on Sanrio.com, but apparently my mom got it at Target. So Target has a lot of Hello Kitty stuff there. Okay, they also it comes with, of course, the manual. The quick start guide, and then the CD that you put into your computer. Also has a cable thing that connects to your computer, and then your TV cord, which connects to your TV. So again, that's what it looks like. If it wants to show. And then on the side, it's bunches of bows on the top. But you can just see the front. So, there it is. Okay, so this is what I got for Christmas. And I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe and comment.